here we go. There's a dangerous drempel, a metal drempel there. We'll see how it goes. I did it! I'm at 2,400 meters high. I'm very cold. I now took my winter jacket. I'm driving parallel of the border with Georgia. This lake must be the most eastern lake of Turkey, and I think I'm now on my most east place of Turkey. If I go to the east, there will be Armenia, and if I will go to a little bit more northeast, there's already Georgia. So I did it! I will stop a little bit later on a better place, because this is a kind of dangerous place, to see if I can do my dance. Hi, I'm dizzy, and look at this place. This is incredible. There's a little village called Tildir, and I see up in the mountain there also. I will see. The lake is called Tildir, Gorku. And here I am, and this is the border. You can see? No, you cannot see. I'm so happy. So this is the point of return. I will go north to the Black Sea and travel by the Black Sea in direction west. 2,400 meters high. I'm very cold. I now took my winter jacket. I'm driving parallel of the border with Georgia. What's your name?
Bernd.
Ben. And you were in Georgia.
Yeah, I was in Georgia.
Wow, lots of stories in Georgia.
Yes, fallen bikes.
Mud and rain.
Yeah, but most of the time it was good.
Yeah, I'm sure it was good. Your bike is quite bigger as mine. You see the difference.
Yeah, it fits our bodies.
Another one. Hoppa. Even with the wind, they can kick the bikes. This is a big road and my motorbike is here. I hope that will be okay. You see the sea? I have to go about 3-4 stairs down. Another one and then some more. stones and black sand. And now my room is right here. So I'm a little bit exhausted. Double bed. Long day. I will take a shower, do some internet, although Turkey blocked completely Instagram. Good night.